Joining a list of bendy screen models now available in the Kenyan market is the Tecno Phantom V Fold. Hi, it's Joy from Phoneplace Kenya and welcome to today's review. The Phantom has better proportion of foldables than Galaxy. The cover screen is larger and so much more usable, and foldable display on the inside is bigger too. A large battery is then needed to power all that 120Hz screen area. Well, let's take an in-depth look at these features and more. It's foldable, but we can't help but start to look into its design. The seemingly random textured fiber-like finished back panel is unique to Tecno and we are liking it. It offers a reasonable amount of grip and doesn't pick up fingerprints. Flipping over to the front, the cover OLED display is protected by Gorilla Glass. The bezels are decently thin and the punch hole for the selfie camera is tiny. An unusual hardware on the Phantom to take note of is its faint crease of the display along the central axis. You can't see it, nor can you feel it while using. The bendy panel on the Phantom V Fold is a 7.85-inch unit, while the 6.4-inch panel graces the cover with promising 120Hz refresh rate. Then there's the matter of the chipset that sets Tecno apart from the other large foldable. All of them use a high-end Snapdragon. This one is based on the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus. Two memory configurations are in existence, 256GB and 512GB. The Phantom V Fold runs Android 13 with the layer of the in-house iOS on top. It has long-standing selection of advanced features. All this gives you a great gaming experience, very smooth with zero lag. The Tecno Phantom V Fold has a competent camera configuration with a proper triple rear camera setup and selfie camera for each display. On the back, you're getting a couple of 50-megapixel units for main and telephoto, plus 13-megapixel auto-focusing ultra-wide. The ultra-wide's auto-focusing capability lets you capture close-ups with it. Phantom's close-ups are actually quite great. Whatever little is in focus is nicely sharp and detailed. The Phantom records videos up to 4K with its main and zoom cameras, while the ultra-wide is capped at 1080p. One thing you cannot fault the V Fold's videos for is its stability. It's impeccable on all the three cameras. A 5000 mAh battery powers the Phantom V Fold. The Tecno specs rates the Phantom V Fold's charging capability of 45 watts. In our testing, the device took 61 minutes to fully charge. However, it does not support wireless charging. The Phantom V Fold is the most affordable, foldable style phone by a wide margin and is available at Phoneplace Kenya. Its unique finish on the back makes it both pleasing to handle and pretty to look at. It has minimal internal display crease and a competitive battery and lots of other cool features. For its price of 135,000 Kenyan shillings, I wouldn't mind purchasing it. You can therefore place your order today at www.phoneplacekenya.com or head over to our physical outlet at the Bazaar Plaza Mezzanine 1, Unit 5. We also do deliveries, same-day delivery within Nairobi and 24 hours delivery outside of Nairobi.